Good morning, students. This is Shahniwaz sir. Hoping you all fine. Welcome back to computer class. Last class for the paper 2 we have done variable and constant, that is from chapter 11 page 149. We have done the questions, define the term variable and constant with example, differences between variable and constant, pseudocode to show the use of variable and constant, and finally we have done with a programming in Python using variable and constant. Today we'll go with the topic looping construct from chapter 10 page 137. The question that we'll do today, define the term iteration, name the types of iteration, pseudocode to show the differences among the types of iteration, and finally we'll do program in Python using the types of iteration. So go to page number 137 of your textbook. Here we are, the loop structure. When some actions performed as part of an algorithm need repeating, this is called iteration. Loop structures are used to perform the iteration. Uh, Suppose in your program, if you want to do some task number of times, so for that type of task we use looping construct. So it performs the same task number of times, so that we don't have to write the same code repeatedly number of times. So here there are three different types of loop structure, that is for to next, repeat until, and while do and while. For to next a set number of repetition. When we know how many times we have to loop the program, the number of looping is known to us, that time we actually use for to next. So it is good for fixed number of loop, that is the loop is fixed, that time we use for to next loop. Repeat until, a repetition where the number of repeats is not known, that is completed at least once. When the program we that is conditional based program, it depends on the condition. As long the condition is true, it will repeat the program. When the condition become false, it will stop the program. That for those type of program we use repeat until loop. In repeat until loop, if even the condition become false the first time in first loop, it will complete at least once. And the next one, a repetition where the number of repeat is not known, they may never be completed. It is also conditional based program, but the differences between repeat until and while do, that the repeat until will execute at least once, but the while do and while, if the condition is false the first time first loop, it will never be completed. So here we are now. All types of loop I can perform the same task. For example, printing 10 stars. There we learn there are differences among the loop, but even we can do the same task using all these types of loops. Suppose we want to print 10 stars. For printing 10 stars, for if you use for to next loop, the code will be for counter 1 to 10 print star next. So this is the code for printing 10 star in for to next loop. For repeat until, counter 0, you have to assign the value of counter 0 first, then you have to repeat the program. Print star, you have to add another code here, counter equals to counter plus 1, you have to increase the value of counter, then until counter greater than 10. So it will do the same work as for to next loop. It will print the star 10 times. Now for while do and while, you have to assign counter value 0 here also, counter less than 10, then it will loop 10 times. Print start, you have to give the same code as repeat until, counter equal counter plus 1, and end while. So you have seen the differences in these three types of loop. They will do the same task, but there are difference in the code. For this program, the for to next loop is the most efficient. So for doing this program, because we know the looping, that how many times that we have to print the stars, that repetition is fixed, so we can use for this fixed number of loop, the for to next is a suitable program. Now next page, they have given a details of these three types of loop. I will not study from here. I have a information sheet. These lines I'll explain you from my information sheet. So here we are. For the definition of loop, you write a definition from here: a step or sequence of steps repeated within the program as an iteration or loop. So this is a definition. There are three different types of loop. We have already learned differences among the loop. So here is the code, uh, the pseudocode for three different type of loop. Suppose for the for counter, this is a suitable program for to next loop. We have to let me read for you. For counter 1 to 5, the counter is fixed that it will uh, run 5 times. It will input mark, total plus mark. It will input 5 marks, and it will total the marks. When the marks input 5 times, it will total the marks every time. And next, this way it will total keep the total of 5 marks in total variable. And and after totaling the 5 marks, it will come out from the loop. Here is the loop end here. Then it will give the average by dividing the total by 5, and finally it will print the total and average. So here you can see that for to next. So this is the structure. In between this structure, whatever the command you give, those command only repeat, will go for the loop. Now for while doing while program, total is assigned to 0, input mark, while mark, this is called not equal to -1, it will total the mark, input the mark, end while, and finally it will print the total. So it depends on the condition. When the user is not equal to -1, means when user press -1, it will stop the program. But the loop is not fixed here. It will input as many marks as you want. When after inputting 5 marks, 10 marks, 1000 marks, even when you press -1, it will stop the program. And for this one, total is 0, mark is 0. Repeat total plus mark, input mark until mark equals to -1, print total. So here you can see the differences. These two programs are similar program. Both are depend on input -1. When user press -1, it will stop the program. So now here I am showing you the code for the Python programming. The same program we will go for the Python programming. I will show you the Python. And one important point, that repeat until, in Python program we don't have repeat until. Python doesn't support repeat until. So I will show you these two code in Python. So I will show you the program now. First I'm showing you the for to next program. So here is the code, that is m0, total 0, m for mark, t for total, average 0. It will run the program 5 times, input mark, then it will total the mark, and after we are having the total, it will give the average. The code will be, the Python coding will be a bit different from the pseudocode. So there is no next here. It's C in range, and then these two line is inside the looping construct. So it is given a bit, we have given a space here, and after ending up with the looping, it will average the total, um, divided by 5, and then it will print the total and average. So let me run the program and show you. Here it's asking for the mark, so I have to give 5 marks. Suppose I'm giving 65, 78, 87, 86, and 65. So here is the total of the 5 marks is 381, and the average is 76 and 6.2. So it's showing the program. So now I will show you the another one, while do and while do and while. So this is the code. It will total, I'm assigned to variable total and mark, that is 0. Then mark, I'm taking an input from the user, enter mark -1 to finish. When user press -1, the program will be end. While mark, this is not equal to sign. In Python you have to give this sign. If you use not, you want to go for not equal sign. So the total plus mark again, you have to input the mark inside the loop, and finally you will print the total. So let me run the program. So here I'm giving marks 54, 65, 76, 87. So I've given these 4 marks, and I want to close the end the program, so I give -1. Here it's showing me the total. So uh, as many numbers or as many mark you want, you can just input, and when you want to stop the program, you just press -1, it will stop the program, it show you the total. So I hope you understand the program, that this two looping construct. I've shown you the repeat until code also. So thank you very much, guys. Goodbye.